This video provides an overview of how companies like Trey Research, which plan to upgrade their networked computers to Windows 7, can use the KMS activation model for deployment. So you suggest that we opt for the Key Management Service, or KMS activation?
That's right. Since all the computers have access to the company network, you can use KMS to activate the computers in your own internal environment.
How does KMS activation work?
By default, the Windows OS and server connect to a KMS host to request activation. This is true of all client versions from Windows Vista and all server versions from Windows Server 2008.
I believe we need to set up one of our machines as the KMS host to run the activation service. Is that correct?
Yes, you need to install a KMS key on a designated computer to enable the KMS host to activate with Microsoft either online or over the phone.
How do the client machines activate?
Individual KMS clients, which include both servers and clients, don't have to connect to Microsoft to activate. After the KMS host is activated, it automatically registers itself with the DNS service. The KMS clients detect the KMS host using DNS and send activation requests to the KMS host. The KMS host then responds with count information. If the count reaches the specified threshold, then the client activates itself.
What is the specified threshold?
The specified threshold for Windows 7 is 25 physical or virtual machines. For Windows Server 2008 R2, it is 5 machines. This is a cumulative count of Windows clients and servers. In fact, the inclusion of virtual machines in the minimum threshold is a major advancement with Windows 7. For Windows Vista and Windows Server 2008, only physical machines were included in the count. When the KMS host receives activation requests from the specified minimum number of machines, all the KMS clients activate. You need to ensure that the KMS client connects with the KMS host anonymously at least once every 180 days.
Do we need to use a different product key for every edition of Windows OS and server software that we deploy?
No, Microsoft uses the concept of volume edition product groups. KMS keys apply to product groups consisting of multiple product editions.
Can we run other programs on the KMS host?
Oh yes, the KMS service does not require a dedicated system and can be easily co-hosted with other services. In most cases, the KMS service does not even require additional software.
Does Microsoft collect any user data when the KMS host connects for activation?